Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are just seeing this channel for the first time, I'm saying a very big welcome to you, and to my returning subscribers, chef's kiss for you guys. Welcome once again. In this channel I share everything fashion design, sewing tips, and everything in between, including fashion business. So you want to stay tuned to this channel, and you want to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that every fashion designer needs to know, and this is why pattern drafting is important in your fashion design process. Something so many fashion designers don't know is that pattern drafting is the backbone of fashion design. So before you think of cutting an outfit, there's supposed to be a process of pattern drafting before that. So today I'm going to be expanding your horizon about this topic. So do well to follow this video. You may think pattern drafting is for advanced tailors or for advanced fashion designers, but I want to bring it to you that if you want your outfits to come out looking professional, if you want to bring your designs to life, no matter how vast, no matter how broad you think they may seem, pattern drafting is your go-to. It is very, very important, and here's why. The first reason why pattern drafting is important for you as a fashion designer, it's because it brings your ideas to life. You have an idea, you want to create a design that nobody has created before, or the design is so intricate, it's so complex. You need pattern drafting. Pattern drafting should be your go-to because it stands as the blueprints for your design. It stands as a template that you can cut and sew. Pattern drafting allows you to create patterns based on your precise body measurements or your client's precise body measurements, which in turn ensures that you have a garment that fits your clients perfectly. So if you want a garment that fits your clients perfectly, you have to ensure that you factor in pattern drafting in your design process. Pattern drafting helps to save time and reduce mistake. This is the part so many people talk about when they are trying to make other fashion designers understand that you need pattern drafting. They tell you it helps you to save time and to reduce mistakes. This is very, very true. With pattern drafting, you have enough room to make mistake and correct your mistakes. You have enough room to do that because before you cut the fabric, you would have corrected the design, you would have corrected your fit on the pattern already. So ensure to use pattern drafting. It helps you save time, it helps you to reduce your mistakes and give you an overall fit finish. The fourth reason why you should consider pattern drafting as a fashion designer, it's because it allows for creativity and customization. So you get a pattern, probably an already existing pattern. Because it's in pattern and you have a solid understanding of pattern drafting, you can choose to alter the neckline, you can choose to alter the sleeve, you can choose to customize a particular area, you can choose to customize the waistline. So with pattern drafting, you have enough room. When I think pattern drafting, I think enough room to be creative, enough room to do you, enough room to explore your designs. So with pattern drafting, you have enough room for customization. You can alter any aspect you want in your pattern. Pattern drafting gives you a professional edge. Once you go into a broader fashion space or you meet other fashion designers, your knowledge of pattern drafting just gives you a more professional edge. They see you differently because it separates you from people who use already existing patterns or people who don't do pattern drafting at all. For you to have the understanding of pattern drafting, it already shows that you are professional and you have a very deep understanding of garment construction and you don't joke with it. So get that knowledge. The next one I'm going to be talking about is going to be really beneficial for people who are into mass market or mass production. And this is that the knowledge of pattern drafting helps you to reproduce and scale your designs. So you're just going to need one pattern. With that one pattern, one perfect pattern, you can create series of designs with that one pattern. You can create series of sizes as well. It's going to help you save time and save costs. This is a bonus tip. Pattern drafting is not only for complex designs. Even the most basic or simplest designs look better when pattern drafted. So the knowledge of pattern drafting is an investment to your skill. It's an investment to your fashion game and your business. So if you've been skipping pattern drafting or you've been relying on store-bought patterns, this is your sign to go learn pattern drafting, because your designs, your fits, your client's fits, and your overall business outlook is going to thank you for this. Thanks for watching this video. If this video has inspired you, do well to give this video a like, share with your community, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't. And until next time, keep creating magic, keep staying stylish. Bye.